If you've cracked the back glass on your iPhone 14, don't worry, you don't need to spend hundreds at Apple. Today I'll show you how to replace it yourself. First things first, power off your phone completely. Then heat up that broken back glass using a heat gun or hairdryer. This will soften the adhesive and make removal much easier. Now grab a thin metal or plastic pry tool, something sharp enough, to get under the edge of the glass without damaging anything else. Carefully work around all sides, lifting gently as you go. This part can be tricky, so take your time and avoid pressing too hard near sensitive areas like the camera lens. Once the old glass is loose, carefully remove it from the frame. Now clean the surface thoroughly with an alcohol wipe. Make sure there are no dust particles left behind. Next, apply new adhesive along the edges of the frame. Use tweezers if needed for precise placement. Finally, align your replacement back glass perfectly with the wireless charging coil and press down firmly for about 30 seconds until secure. Power on your device. Again, just to double check everything works correctly. And boom, your iPhone 14 looks brand new again. No more cracks, no more worries. Remember, this process requires some patience, so follow these steps closely. Don't rush through any step. For more detailed tutorials and repair tips, make sure you subscribe below. I post weekly videos covering various tech repairs. From iPhones to laptops, hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time. Let me know in the comments what other devices you want me to cover. Peace.